Keep playing, pussy wall. Keep playing. I'ma show you. Matter of fact, you know what? This is what I'ma do. I'ma totally shut off and come off the internet, Wi-Fi, on everything. In the meantime, I'm gonna work on my. I got a project. I told you, you asking for it. Like my mom would say, you cruising for a demon bruising, and we see that doesn't matter. You gonna continue to block my text to my kids and anybody else. You're not gonna stop until one of us dead. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna come off the Wi-Fi and all that totally. In the meantime, I'm gonna work on the project, have it ready. When I come back on, I text, the text fail, or I go on any one of my texting app or calling app, any one of them, any email, any part of my phone, exercise app, anything. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna immediately post. But I'm going to post to a whole brand new email from a brand new email that had no connection with the other ones. We're going to hit up everybody, plus some new people. Okay? Alrighty now. Remember, all of it, I've given you a choice. And it's your choice again. So let me just come off this net. You ain't gotta worry about no emails and all that to, putting that bullshit about I sent too much emails and all that. Man, that shit is crap. Fuck that. Emails is a dime, less than a dime a dozen. They free. So I got all the email addresses. They in every post. So what difference does it make? Just sign up a new account, shoot off what I'm shooting off, and when you get there, lead to another one. You dumbass motherfucker. But this project, you gonna love it. Let me show you. It's time to take it to another level. Again, I will repeat myself because I'm not coming back on for a while. This is your choice. When I come on back, everything should be clean. Or guess what? We gonna fire a big gun. And if everything clean, then I hold it back for the day when you slip. I slide.